Hello friends, welcome to one more video. This time I am going to take you through a very interesting Excel function which will help you convert simple interest, okay, into compound interest. So this is a problem that many of us face in our day to day life, as to how do we convert simple interest into compound interest, right? So this is a slightly challenging task for most of us, because converting simple interest into compound interest requires formulas to be solved, and many of us may not be comfortable with that formula. So how can we use Excel to do that? So let me share with you one simple example. If you are offered three different rate of interest, okay, and you have to select one of them by compounding them, then how will you do that? So let us take example to understand this conversion concept. Suppose you go to a bank and the bank offers you 7.5% uh, interest per annum, right? So this is what you will get if you open an account: 7.5% interest per annum. The second offer that you get from the same bank is, say, 7.32% per annum, okay, but compounded semi-annually. Okay, now this time the compounding is not annual, but compounding is semi-annual. Okay, so this first case was compounding annually, this is compounding semi-annual. And the third offer that you get is basically a rate of interest of 6.91% per annum. Okay, but this is compounded, this rate gets compounded daily, right? Now, so this is a daily compounding, okay? And if you are asked to select which one is the best for you, many times it is possible that you will go with the third option without actually working on that option. So let us see how we can work on this. So let us assume that you are going to invest, say, 100 rupees. So your investment amount is 100 rupees. And this is what we will use as the base to understand which is the best option. So if I take the first option, where you are being paid 7.5% per annum on 100 rupees that you deposit, it's very easy. Okay, you can say that this is what you will earn, which is 100 multiplied by 7.5% for the entire year, and that translates into 7.5. So basically you are going to get 7.5 rupees on 100 rupees, because the rate of interest is 7.5%. But what happens when the rate of interest is 7.32% per annum, but it's getting compounded twice in the year? So how do you convert this semi-annual compounding into annual compounding? It's very simple. You don't have to use any formula. You just go and use effect function in Excel. The function is named as effect. So you'll write equal to effect. Okay, then you will open the bracket. Okay, then you will select the rate of interest, which is 7.32%. Okay, and then put a comma and then write the frequency. So frequency is 2, because it's a semi-annual compounding. So what will the function do? The function will convert 7.32% compounded twice into an annual rate, and that annual rate basically becomes this interest rate for you, right? So 7.32% compounded semi-annually is equal to 7.45% compounded annually, right? So let me make it 7.45%, so that we are up to only two decimal values. So this time on 100 rupees, you are going to earn what? You are going to earn 100 multiplied by this value. So your interest this time is only 7.45, which means it is less than the first option. Now we'll go to the third option, where you are going to get how much? 6.9% per annum, but it's getting compounded on a daily basis. So how do we convert this interest into the compound interest? So we'll write equal to effect, okay, which is the Excel function, open bracket. We'll put 6.91%, okay, and then we'll put 365, because the compounding is happening on a daily basis. Assuming that it's a normal year, we are taking it to be 365. So what will be the compounded value, annual value? The compounded annual value will be, this value, which means you will be hardly getting in the third case, okay, amount which is equivalent to 7 rupees 15 paise, right? Here you are getting 7 rupees 50 paise. In the second option you are getting 7 rupees 45 paise, and the third option you are getting 7 rupees 15 paise. So effectively the last option is the worst one for you, while you may have thought it to be the best without solving it, because daily compounding appears more appealing always, irrespective of what is the rate of interest. So what can you do is you can use effect function. The function that I just discussed with you is called as effect. And when you go to the function here in Excel, insert function, and from here you can find out how to use the function if you want to use it in a box format. Otherwise, if you want to use it, then write equal to effect, open bracket, put whatever is the rate, put a comma, and then put the compounding frequency. Suppose, let us take fourth example here to make things easier for you. If the rate of interest is 10% and it has to be compounded semi-annually, then what will be the annual rate of interest? So the annual rate of interest will become this value, which is what I'm showing you now. Okay, so it will change to 10.25%, right? That's how you get the compounding done from a simple interest to annual rate of interest. I hope the video made sense for you and you could get how to do this. Please try in your Excel, and I'm sure you will be able to do it when you practice it more than twice or thrice. Thank you for your time and thanks for watching this video.